In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test your Mailchimp email campaigns and why you should. Whether you're creating a marketing newsletter, a product update, or an event invitation, ensuring your email looks great and works perfectly is crucial. After all, your email campaigns represent your brand, and a polished professional appearance can make all the difference in how your audience perceives your message. So, stick around. We'll walk through this process step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll have the confidence to send out error-free campaigns that stand out in your subscribers' inboxes. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your Mailchimp account. Head over to the official Mailchimp website, and once you're there, enter your login credentials. Take a moment to ensure you're using the correct account, especially if you manage multiple email lists or campaigns for different projects. This is the foundation for everything, so it's important to start off in the right place. Once you've logged in, you'll land on the Mailchimp dashboard. This is like the central hub for all your campaign activities. Here you can track your progress, monitor analytics, and of course, access your email campaigns. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, especially if you're new to Mailchimp, as this will make navigating the platform much smoother. From the dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the section labeled Campaigns. Click on that and then select All Campaigns. This will bring up a list of all the email campaigns you've worked on, including drafts, scheduled emails, and those that have already been sent. It's a good way to keep everything organized and ensure you're working on the right campaign. Next, select the specific email campaign you'd like to test. Simply click on the campaign name or thumbnail, and it'll open up the detailed view of that campaign. This is where the real work begins. So take a moment to double-check that you've selected the correct one. It's always better to confirm now than to realize later that you've made edits to the wrong email. Once you've opened your campaign, the first thing you'll want to do is preview it. To do this, click on the Preview option. This will allow you to see how your email will look on both desktop and mobile devices. This step is super important because emails often display differently depending on the device or email client being used. Pay close attention to the design, text alignment, and overall layout to ensure everything looks polished and professional. After reviewing the preview, it's time to send yourself a test email. Look for the option labeled Send a Test Email and click on it. A pop-up will appear, allowing you to enter the email address where you'd like the test email to be sent. You can also add the email addresses of trusted colleagues if you'd like a second opinion. This is a great way to gather feedback and catch anything you might have missed. Now, head over to your inbox and review the test email. This is your chance to experience the email exactly as your subscribers will. Pay attention to the content layout, check that all the links work as expected, and make sure there are no typos or formatting issues. If your email includes images, confirm that they load properly and that they look clear and professional. If you notice anything that needs improvement, whether it's a design tweak, a typo, or a broken link, go back into Mailchimp and make those adjustments. Don't rush this part. The goal is to ensure that your email is as polished and effective as possible before it goes out to your audience. Once you've made the necessary edits, repeat the testing process. Send yourself another test email, review it again, and continue refining until you're completely satisfied with how it looks and functions. This might take a couple of rounds, but trust me, it's worth the extra effort to get everything just right. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can confidently test and refine your Mailchimp email campaigns to ensure they make the right impression on your audience. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.